You see, God is given a revelation of himself that is to counteract the lies of Lucifer. This revelation of himself is specifically designed to unmask the foundational points that Lucifer inserted into the human minds and caused all this darkness and blackness. As we saw earlier as well, in this illustration, we see all the emptiness that man was filled with. At the very center and heart of all this emptiness was a false concept of God. Man had lost the knowledge of God. So as the Bible says, man does not seek after God, even though he be not far from us. God was going to begin right at where Lucifer inserted his lies, at the very heart of the matter, to re-educate the human family about the correct identity of who God is, the correct identity of his character, and thereby restoring to man a correct understanding of how family ought to run.